Vankaya curry, also known as brinjal curry or eggplant curry, is a popular South Indian dish that can be made at home with a few simple ingredients. Here is a recipe that serves 4 to 5 people. Ingredients: 4 medium-sized eggplants, vankaya. 2 medium-sized onions, finely chopped. 2 medium-sized tomatoes, finely chopped. 1 tablespoon ginger garlic paste. 2 green chilies, slit. 1 teaspoon red chili powder. 1 teaspoon coriander powder. Half a teaspoon cumin powder. Half a teaspoon turmeric powder. Salt to taste. Oil for cooking. Fresh coriander leaves, chopped for garnishing. Instructions: wash and chop the eggplants into small cubes and soak them in salt water for 10 to 15 minutes. Heat some oil in a pan and add the chopped onions. Fry until they turn translucent. Add ginger garlic paste and green chilies and saute for a minute. Add chopped tomatoes and cook until they turn soft and mushy. Drain the water from the eggplant cubes and add them to the pan. Mix well. Add all the spices: red chili powder, coriander powder, cumin powder, turmeric powder, and salt to taste. Mix well and cover the pan with a lid. Cook for 10 to 12 minutes until the eggplants are soft and cooked through. Garnish with chopped coriander leaves and serve hot with rice or roti. Your vankaya curry is now ready to be served. Enjoy.